Let me show you how you can animate a little set like this using projection mapping. I first made the stage out of foam with the goal of making it look like a landscape. Next, I gave the whole thing a layer of dark green paint, while also scraping off corners and ledges that look too linear. Here I'm using hot glue to hold the dried moss onto the stage. Now for the back of the stage. I wanted this project to be portable, so I basically bought a trash box from Lowe's and essentially made a tri-fold presentation board. Keep in mind that spray paints and spray adhesives might melt your foam depending on which type you're using, so just spray it on the test piece first. The last thing I'm going to do for the stage is glue in some moss and add some texture. Now for the technical part. Start by gathering the media you want to use. I'm using the sticker gifts from Giphy because they have transparent backgrounds. Next, I'm going to point my projector onto the stage and hook it up to my computer. On my desktop, I'm going to make sure that I'm extending my desktop and not duplicating it. You can use any projection mapping software you like for this, but I prefer Heavy M2. Start off by selecting your projector and making sure that your canvas size is the same resolution as your projector. From here we can start tracing the geometry using the box and pen tool. Finally, we can drag down the media player and upload the media we want to use. From here we can just keep exploring the effects and seeing what we can do. This little art exhibit was originally made for a Renaissance themed event that was held by a local art gallery. I hope that this video gave you inspiration or ideas to do something similar for yourself.